Hello? Hello? I wanted to broadcast a message for you, because you've been locked in the building. I was actually trapped in that office before you. I'm finishing up now, as a matter of fact. But it looks like I'll have to help you first. So, the Faculty of Robotics will probably be aware that you're here after hours. So, don't bother trying to run. They'll catch you easily. Your only hope is to hide out where you are now, and use the network of surveillance cameras that you have access to here. If you see the robots getting a bit too close, check the doors. And if you can hear anything or see anything unusual, hold the door closed until you hear them leave. The cameras in the hallway lead to where you find yourself now in blind spots. These blind spots happen to be right outside your doors. So make sure to check the doors regularly. And since you're here after hours, the robots probably won't really see you as a person. They'll probably see you as more of an assortment of funky clothing, which, of course, is prohibited here. So if you get caught, they'll probably try to stuff you in the lost and found bin, which wouldn't normally be a bad thing, but due to the amount of confiscated vape coils, you'll probably get cooked alive. So, don't get caught. Oh, and one more thing. The ventilation system here needs to be wound up remotely, so if you let it drain until it runs out, you might actually die. So make sure to pop into the monitor from time to time to wind it up. I think it's under a button called Wind Vents. Alright, I'll come back tomorrow night to help you out more. For now, bye. I gotta go.
Attention school, sorry for the interruption. We have become aware of a student still on the premises. Our faculty robotics, kindly made by our local mechatronics class, will locate and escort the student out. To our students, if you're listening, report to the office immediately. If you refuse, we cannot ensure your safety. Our robotics do get a bit quirky at night, but do I blame them? No. We all get a bit irritable too. Just remember, you need to show them a little respect.
Hey, you're back. Okay, you made it tonight too. Congrats. I won't talk for as long tonight, as the faculty members tend to get more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I'm talking, just to make sure everyone is accounted for. Oh, and hopefully you won't have to worry about this, but also make sure to check the vent above your head from time to time. If something, or someone is inside the vent, try to flash them. You might only have a few seconds to react. Anyway, I think I hear one coming now. Good luck.
Hi school, sorry for the interruption. Due to our present student remaining on the premises unaccounted for, we've heightened the sensitivity of our faculty robotics. To any teachers at school, please remain in your classes until further notice. This is for your own safety. Thank you for your cooperation.